Near the end of May in 2021, I had the opportunity to travel out to Maine. While I was out there, I stopped by York, Maine, and let the drone fly around Nubble Lighthouse. Nubble has become one of my favorite lighthouses on the East Coast, probably number 2 or 3. And I'm glad I got the drone up and was able to see some of the island that this cute little lighthouse is sitting on. Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, I appreciate you watching this video. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side of the lens.